How to access lessons and recordings. Go to my teaching website arianemarianeworkshop.com. Click on the login button and then enter your email address and your password. If you have forgotten your password, click the reset button. You will get a verification code that you put in here. On the website, you will have access to all the classes that you have taken with me. Click the one that you're interested in, and in the beginning you will find a welcome message as well as a supply list most of the time. You can mark the lesson as completed so that you know where you have been last time that you accessed the class. And in each lesson you might find a PDF that you can open by just clicking on it. Looking forward to get creative with you. Bye!